Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to view the sites you've blocked on Google Chrome using the latest updated settings. If you've ever blocked certain sites from showing ads or tracking your activity, Chrome keeps a record of those choices. The good news is you can easily go back and review or manage them anytime. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your device. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner and tap on the three dots. This opens up the main menu where all your Chrome settings live. From the menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This is where you control everything related to your browser experience. Next, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is all about how Chrome handles your data, permissions, and browsing activity. Now, inside Privacy and Security, tap on Ad Privacy. This is a newer feature in Chrome that gives you more control over how ads are personalized for you. After that, select Site Suggested Ads. Here, Chrome shows you how websites suggest ads based on your activity. Finally, tap on Sites you blocked. And that's it. You'll now see a full list of websites you've blocked from suggesting ads or interacting with your ad preferences.